Hi, so guys, I've got a solution for you. For example, if you cannot see, I've tried many solutions online, but none of them worked. So I had to figure out a way to fix this issue. So, for example, these are the pictures you're looking for. Even if you go to view and check the option here, you will find that this one is unchecked. So these should be shown, but unfortunately they are not shown. So what you need to do, you copy these things. This is magic solution. You copy these pictures outside the folder, and here you are. Now you copy them back again. You can see them, and that's it. That I am Stack Magic. Thanks for watching.